So now we got the dash painted. We can install it now. So it's pretty simple. It pretty much just slides on. So, and I just used just black vinyl paint. If you check out my other videos, I did a little video on painting them. So, but now we can install it. So pretty much all you have to hook up is your light sensor. So you're gonna wanna hook that up before, just plug it in. So it just slides in these little clips here. So really just make sure it's clipped in. And that's about it. It just pop on, then you just have your 7mm bolts that hold it on around here. Like that.